children? How are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes? Okay. Every day we were discussing about the daily routine. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ ಏನು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ 2 ಸಲ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಟೈಮ್ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಲು ಕುಡೀರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ ಮಲಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಧ್ಯ 2 ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ದಿನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ದಿನ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಊಟ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ದಿನ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾನೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಎಂಥೂಸಿಯಾಸಮ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಿನ ನಮಗೆ, ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಾಟ್ ನೋ. ಎಸ್, ಟುಡೇ ಈಸ್ Wednesday, correct no? The month is December. Already we learned little bit about the months and also the days. What are those in the calendars? Calendar again irutte dates, month name, then yes, in the calendar have you seen the red colors? Red color nodidira makla calendar alli? Yes, ಏನದು? ಅದು ಹಾಲಿಡೇ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾವತ್ತು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತಾವತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾವತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್? ಎಸ್, ಎಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಎ dot of the black and one dot big circle dot with white. ಏನದು? Black dot is a amavasya of that month, and also the white dot big circular dot is a ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ 2 ದಿನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕತ್ತಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆಳಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ದಿನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೂತು ನಾವು ಚಂದ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ, ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ ದ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆಸ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್. ಯು ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಸ್, ಕಾಲಗಳು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಕಾಲಗಳು? ರಾಹು ಕಾಲ, ಗುಳಿ ಕಾಲ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ 4 ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತರ. ಯಾವುದು ಗುಡ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಯಾವುದು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಸಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ನಾವು ಸೀನಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇವತ್ತು ತದ್ದಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ತದ್ದಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಷಷ್ಠಿ, ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯು ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವೀವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು. Okay, shall we start our class? Yes, as usual, first we will start with our English. Start with our English. What we learned in the English? Yes, we all learned our long vowels. That is review. Today I am doing the review of the long vowels. What are they in the long vowels? Take your Discover Coding book. In that, from the page number 4 phonic book, book 4. Okay, whole book is of long vowel. They are given their ending as a long vowel. In that we learn AY, AE, A dash E. So many we learned no IE and EY, then OE, EW, UE, then what else? OA. So many long vowels we learned. Previous class we learned a long vowel of OO. Okay. In that what we learned? Open your Discover Phonic book, page number 28. Okay. Boot, coop, hoof, moon, roof, pool, root, tool. Like this it was there in that OO family. His boot is on the roof. The pool is to pool and tea. Boot, cube, dew. Match the words to the pictures they are given. This is the page number 28 and 29. These are all the long vowels of OO. Already we have done. Just I am revising the same thing. With that, in your phonic activity book, I think already you finished the page number 31 and 32. What they given? Boot, hoof, moon, pool, root, broom, droop and true. Okay? Read aloud and write the following sentence. I think children already you have written the sentence. The pool is to pool and tea. His boot is on the roof. Circle the rhyming words soon, moon and tame. Already I taught you. You have to circle soon, moon and moon. Tame you should not circle because that is not a rhyming word for the remaining three. These all are the long vowel of OO. Till now we learnt all the long vowels. Okay. From tomorrow classes, I think we will start with a new concept that is a blends. Okay? Yes. Till now, what and all we learned? Just we will recap the what? Beginning consonants, ending consonants, consonants, vowels, short vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the long vowels O, O with that prepositions. Also we learned no both the side in the maths also, in the English also we learned the preposition. With that we learned so many side words. Correct? Side words, what and all you learn? Up, the, far, go, then what else? Yes? Anything else? We left vowels, e's. Okay? Today we are going to learn I. Okay? Today we are going to learn about the I. Okay. I andre ಏನು? What do you mean by I? I side word. What do you mean by I? I andre ಯಾರು? ನಾನು. That is the ನಾನು. ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗಿ, ನಾನು ಟೀಚರ್, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಓಕೆ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ವೇತಾ, I am a teacher. I am teaching the online class to my UKG students. I like to eat pizza. I like blue color. I stay in Basveshwar Nagar. Like this. Okay, what I told in Kannada, I told you in the English also. Those are so the side word I is so important. Okay, I will write some sentences like I like to eat. I live in okay. I like to eat pizza. I like blue color. I love folk songs. Okay, so many sentences you can make. I like to teach. I live in Basveshnagar. I like to eat pizza. I like blue color. I like fruit songs. So many are there. Okay, in I. If this is a side word, as I told you, so many times I told you, side words is nothing but a word which we use to frame the sentences. Okay, side word is a word which we use frequently. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ more than 5 10 ವರೆಗೂ ಇರಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಥವಾ paragraph. If you want to make a paragraph, the side words are very useful. These are all called as a side words. Okay children, the homework is in your 4 lines book. Okay, what you have to do? Frame 6 sentences using side words. Okay, 4 lines book. Frame 6 sentences using side words. This is your homework. Shall we move to next class? Yes? Yes, okay. My next class is maths. Okay, maths. Till now what we learned in the maths? Yes, the numbers from 1 to 60. We learned no, and also the number names from 1 to 60. Have you learned or not? Yes. Okay. Today we are going to learn the numbers 61 to 70. Okay. Today we are going to learn the numbers from 61 to 70. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay. This is the numbers from 61 to 70. As you are all grown up, again and again, I am not revising the same thing because you are all grown up. You know what is the 61 to 70 because all the right numbers means last number will be the same. That is 1 to 9. The 10 always comes with a 0. So only you need to learn 61. How you will write 6 and a 1 makes a 61. 60 plus 2 makes a 62. Like that 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and the last one is 70. Okay, these are all the number names for numbers from 61 to 70. Every day you try to write in your what? Home, I mean class work. Keep one book at home as a rough book and you write the numbers. Try to learn the number names. Try to write the Kannada. Try to write the Hindi. These are a regular practice you have to do at home so that your finger grip will increase. Okay? Understood, children? Yes? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. Today we are going to learn. 1 second, I'll show you. Okay. This is numbers from homework keys. Homework. 1 second. I'll rub and write, children. You have to fill in the blanks. Fill the missing this is your homework. Okay, what are those numbers? I'll write start from here. Okay, this is the number what I given the homework for you. Okay, this is 1 to 70. You need to write the same thing or take your help of your mama and take this in your book and you complete the missing boxes. Okay, take the help of your mama. Either mama will write, otherwise no problem. You write yourself all the things and where there is missing you just circle it up so that you will come to know which one is the missing. Okay, this is one homework. The second homework is write number names. Okay, and giving some numbers you have to write the number names for the same thing. I think till now you have already learned the number names till 60. So I am giving the numbers names till here. Okay, this is the homework for you. First you have to write the number names for these things and also you have to write the fill in the missing numbers. Okay, so you all understood now today's maths. we are next we are going to the next subject, that is EVS. That is our general science. What you learned yesterday in the EVS? Can anyone tell to me? ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ EVS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ? Yes, plant and trees. We learned yesterday. We learned so many points regarding the plants. Now, what are those? Plants are green. Plant gives us food. Plant gives us oxygen. Okay, then what else? Plant gives us vegetables. Plant gives us fruits. So many things we learned now in the previous class. Today we are going to the next step of plants. What are those? Can you tell me? What are those? Okay, what are those? Yes, today we are going to learn the parts of the plants. I'll draw one small picture for you. Okay, children, can you see what is this? Yes, this is a plant. Okay, you can draw any plant you can like, but I am drawing for my reference thing. Okay. What is this? I am talking about the parts of the plant. What is this? How we have the parts, like that plants also have so many parts, children. What are those? First one is, what is this? Roots. Correct alla? Roots agatalla? Roots. How you tell? When you plant a seed, first the root will come. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಮಣ್ಣೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? Stem. Correct, no? Stem. Afterwards, what becomes? Leaf. Correct, alla? Leaves ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Buds. Buds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಗ್ಗು. ಮೊಗ್ಗು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Fruit. Or the flower. Okay, fruit or the flower, anything will come. Either in some trees first fruits will come, then flower will come. In some plants the fruits will come, then last the flower will come. Okay, this depends on the plant. Okay, what are the main parts Okay, these are the parts of the plants. Okay, the same thing we can learn. Okay, for these parts of the plant, how the plants will grow? What are the essential for the plants to grow? One is the sunlight. Okay, I'll rub this one because I need to draw the sun there. Okay, what is this? We need a sun. Sun ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? ರೇಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಎಸ್, yes, this is what is this? This is a water can. What is required? Water. Water also required for the growth of the sun. What is required? Sunlight and also the water. Okay children, what is required for the plant to grow? Main is water and the sunlight. Both is required to grow a plant. For this, the homework is draw beautiful picture of plant and name the parts. Okay, with that write 5 times the parts name. What are those? Stem, root, leaves, bud, fruit, flower. Okay, these are the parts name. You have to write 5 times. Okay, this I will ask you in the next Zoom call. Okay, draw a where you have to do this. You have to do in your internet book. In the plain sheet, you have to draw a colorful plant. With that, you have to draw the sunlight and water also, and you have to write 5 times the parts name. Okay, these are the stem, root, bud, and fruit and flower. This you need to write it in your 4 lines book, children. This is your EVS. Okay, children, I think you all understood all these things. Today you learned what and all the division of the English, that is long vowels. That in the maths you learn the new number from 61 to 70, and I have given 2 homeworks regarding that. EVS you learn the parts of the plant. Okay, these you do revision and complete all your homework at home. Please take care. Bye.